To protect your car's paint and give it a shiny finish, car wax is one of the most important products you can use. Two of the most popular brands are Turtle Wax and Meguiar's Car Wax. Both are trusted by car owners, but they have some differences that can help you decide which one is better for your car. Turtle Wax provides a quick and easy application, making it good for beginners. It spreads easily over the surface and can be buffed off without much effort. This makes it perfect for regular use and for those who want a fast, convenient shine. Meguiar's usually requires a bit more effort, but gives a deeper shine. It may take longer to apply and buff, but the result is a richer, more professional-looking finish. This makes it ideal for car enthusiasts who want their paint to look its best. Meguiar's lasts longer and protects your paint for weeks. Its durable formula shields your car from dirt, dust, and UV rays. This means you do not have to wax as often, saving time and keeping your car looking new. Turtle Wax may need more frequent reapplication. While it provides good shine and protection, it is best suited for regular maintenance. Meguiar's repels water better, forming strong beads during rain. This helps prevent water spots and keeps the car cleaner for longer. Its superior water-repelling ability also adds an extra layer of protection against dirt and grime. Turtle Wax provides decent but milder water protection. It helps reduce water spots and light dirt, but may not last as long in heavy rain. Turtle Wax works well for older cars or cars with minor scratches. Its formula helps mask small imperfections and brings back some shine. This makes it a good choice for everyday use on cars that need gentle care. Meguiar's is ideal for new or well-maintained cars. It enhances the paint's depth and provides a professional-level glossy finish. Using it regularly keeps your car looking showroom new for a long time. Meguiar's uses premium ingredients for a deeper shine and better durability. Its high-quality formula enhances the color and clarity of your car's paint. This makes it perfect for car owners who want long-lasting, professional results. Turtle Wax is designed for convenience and quick results. It spreads easily and can be buffed off quickly, saving time and effort. This makes it ideal for regular maintenance and fast touch-ups. Both Turtle Wax and Meguiar's Car Wax are excellent options, but Turtle Wax is great for convenience and cost, while Meguiar's offers superior shine, protection, and durability for those who want the best finish for their car.